Now let us look at the benefits of plug and play tools. Let us look at the benefits of plug and play tools. So see, plug and play tools, it allows rapid experimentation, because we know that plug and play tool, it is very much independent from the agent's core logic. Very easily we can plug it, we can test it, we can run it in isolation, and we can perform rapid experimentation to test a particular feature, to test a particular functionality. So plug and play tools, it allows rapid experimentation, easy upgrades. Very easily we can upgrade a plug and play tool, because any changes you make in the plug and play tool, it has nothing to do with the agent system. Agent system is very much independent of the plug and play tool. And this isolation, this modularity makes things very easy. So plug and play tools, if we talk about the benefits, easy upgrades and reusability across agents. Reusability across agents. So this is something very interesting. Like, let us suppose you designed some very interesting plug and play tools. Now you can use those plug and play tools across many different agents. So design, like once you put effort to design a tool, and you can reuse it wherever you want. So reusability across agents. So now we saw some very interesting benefits of plug and play tools, wherein we looked at plug and play tools. It allows rapid experimentation, easy upgrades, and reusability across agents. So with plug and play tool design, what result we can achieve? Let us look at that. The result we can achieve if we use plug and play tool design. So with plug and play design, your agent becomes a dynamic orchestrator. And what it means, let us see. So with plug and play design, your agent becomes a dynamic orchestrator. It means that you can give your agent a toolbox of 50 tools. For example, like you can give your agent a toolbox containing lots of standardized tools. For example, like 50 plus standardized tools. So now we have an AI agent which can access 50 plus standardized tools, and these tools are basically plug and play tools. These tools follow all the design principles of plug and play tools, like standard input output schema, stateless execution, clear documentation, and agent can access these standardized tools. And because they are standardized and they contain self-descriptive metadata, the agent will naturally pick. So with plug and play design, your agent can naturally pick the right tool every time for the job. So whatever the job needs to be done for a particular job, it will pick the right tool, because all these tools, the plug and play tools, they are standardized tools. They contain clear documentation. So the agent, the LLM is aware about the capabilities of all the tools. So with plug and play tool design, your AI agent becomes a dynamic orchestrator.